Everyone thinks modern engines are more reliable. But what if the simpler, older two-stroke engine actually lasts longer under pressure? Because in the real world, complexity doesn't always mean durability. Most people believe that more advanced engines are automatically better. Four-stroke engines dominate modern vehicles, from cars to hybrids. They're cleaner, more efficient, and built to last. At least that's what we're told, but here's the problem. More parts mean more failure points. And that changes everything. A typical four-stroke engine contains dozens of moving parts. Valves, camshafts, timing chains, oil pumps, sensors. Every component has to work perfectly. Now compare that to a two-stroke engine. No valves, no complex timing system. Fewer moving parts. In some designs, nearly half the mechanical complexity. In reliability engineering, fewer parts often means fewer failures. This principle is used everywhere. From aircraft systems to industrial machines. But here's where it gets interesting. If simpler engines are more reliable, why did the entire industry move away from them? Because reliability is only part of the story. Two-stroke engines burn oil along with fuel. That creates more wear, more emissions, and shorter lifespan in everyday use. In controlled conditions, a two-stroke can be incredibly durable. But in real-world driving, things change. Four-stroke engines separate oil and fuel. That means better lubrication, lower wear, and longer service intervals. So while two-strokes are simpler, they're not always more reliable over time, but this exact trade-off is happening again today. In electric vehicles are the ultimate example of simplicity. No pistons, no valves, no transmissions in many cases. From a mechanical standpoint, EVs are closer to a two-stroke philosophy. Fewer parts, fewer failures. But here's the catch. The complexity didn't disappear. It moved. Modern EVs rely on software, battery chemistry, and thermal management systems. These are invisible, but critical. A battery degradation issue doesn't look like engine wear. It shows up years later, often outside warranty, and unlike a piston or valve, you don't repair a battery cheaply. You replace it. This is where reliability becomes complicated. A system can have fewer moving parts, but still carry higher long-term risks. So are two-stroke engines more reliable than four-stroke engines? In pure mechanical terms, sometimes yes. Simplicity reduces failure points, but in real-world ownership, reliability is not just about parts. It's about wear, environment, and long-term cost, and the same principle applies to EVs today, because the biggest reliability risks are often the ones you can't see. In the next video, we will discuss about how EV owners are quietly saving over $4,000 without realizing it, and why most owners aren't prepared for it.